Bananas aren't just a quick snack. They're a powerhouse of nutrients your body needs. Packed with potassium, they help keep your heart healthy and your blood pressure under control. They're also rich in fiber, which supports digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Need an energy boost? Bananas are a natural source of glucose, making them the perfect pre-workout fuel. Plus, they contain vitamin B6 and magnesium to improve mood and reduce stress. So the next time you're craving something sweet, grab a banana. Your body and brain will thank you.